For all of your needs.
So that's my English name. So you can call me Jean or you can call me Crystal. Today the temperature is about 3 degrees centigrade to 10 degrees centigrade. Morning and evening will be very cold. So please. The opium. They told them to smoke it. Though she was a snake, but she helped the very poor families because her medicine is very effective. So the people told us this is the deepest area of the whole lake. And today, how deep it is. Total now it's about 2.8 meters deep. So that is the deepest area of the whole lake already. But maybe
Kumain kami ng Chinese food. I like it.
just remember, green tea, it doesn't mean more green is better. That means the smaller size and the more yellow, that means better quality. See? Because the big one, this one, is for the tea bags in our hotel. Or sometimes we sell to the Japan to make for mocha. Oh, and dissolve the oil already. That's the best time to drink the tea because just now we have big lunch, right? Yeah. We need. Please don't try at home.
Waiting for check-in. Hey guys, we're here at our second hotel in Wuzhen, Watertown, and just a quick room tour. So, very traditional yung hotel, pero modern yung inside. So, let's go!
I wanted to return you the passport, okay?
Hi!
Hi. Let's go.
Okay. Nice day.
找到所靠出线后，即可射击。你们的指挥官巴斯当年将会。
Rate the ride.
It's a 6 out of 10.
Bakit?
It's kind of boring, but it's the Buzz Lightyear.
Masaya kaya.
That was actually a generous rating.
我是翠丝，祝大家。
Ayan. Oh.
Second.
Ito din.
Galit lang.
Wow.
This is the temple, and did you see the number 8? Yeah.
Sana i-bless kami na. I'm on my way.
No, mas walang laman eh. Walang laman.